Right, good evening on Sunday the 26th of January at 9:30 in the evening. Just thought I'd bring a very quick video to my subscribers, and hopefully this video will find you well. Now, I've been getting a lot of emails every day for the last couple of weeks from customers who want to purchase Denali bundles, which is all great. It's all good for business, but it makes me think that some people are struggling with the website and not knowing where to go to actually get all the quotes yourself. So I'm just on my iPhone. This is a straightforward iPhone. I don't know which model it is actually. I think it's an XS Max, but this is the website on the iPhone. Now, just to search for the right stuff and just show you how easy it is to place an order. See the little three dashes on the left hand side? So this is the home page, the little three dashes top left hand side. I'm going to press those and you get a little quick menu on the left hand side. If you click on shop, and this basically starts showing everything on the whole website. As you see, all the page navigation is right at the very bottom. But to make it really quick and easy for you, rather than searching through everything, press on the filter in the middle there and pick your bike. So let's just say, for instance, you have got a BMW R1250 GS 2018 model. Now that's the fifth one down on that menu. So we're going to choose that. This is now showing every item which would be compatible for that bike, or it might be a universal thing. But if you pick your bike that you have got, you'll see everything there. You can click on filter as many times as you like. So press it again. And now what we're going to do, as you can see, it's got a little cross next to it. So you can show that's the one that we've got selected. Now we're going to click on combination packages just here. So I'm going to click on that. And now, as you can see at the top, active filters, there's the bike, combination packages. And currently I've got 5, well it says 6 here, but there's actually 5 because the one at the bottom right hand corner are just blanking plugs for you to add to a package. So if you look at the very top, the top 2 there, these are both Denali D4 bundles for the same bike. The only reason one's more expensive than the other is the one on the right comes with the modified adventure bracket that you can only get from a bike thing, where I've modified the bracket so it fits the standard GS just inside the little panels each side of the radiators. And the one on the left, which is a lot cheaper, that is a bike that has aftermarket crash bars fitted. However, if you have upper crash bars fitted and you really want that modified adventure mount, it will actually still fit. It's just that you have to take the crash bars off first, then put the light mount on, and then you put the crash bars back on again. But it's up to you. Some people like to put their lights on the crash bars, and some people like to use the modified mount. In my opinion, and the majority of other people's opinions, it's always best to have the lights down beneath the beak rather than above the beak, which kind of blinds out the turn signals. Because if you look on your GS, your turn signals are literally just above the beak, and that's where Denali have put their bike specific light mount above the beak, which in my opinion doesn't work. So then we've got the D7 bundle. As you can see, they're still all for the BMW GS, so R1200 GS, non-adventure, with crash bars, without crash bars. Sorry there's no images, but if you read the descriptions you can see which one it is. So let's say, for instance, we want to buy the D4 bundle Gen 2 R1250 GS non-adventure there on the right hand side. If I click on that, that will take it through. Sorry, that opens it up so you can read more information inside here, and you can see in the orange, you can see what actually comes in that deal. Now, if you want to, we can add a B6 rear light. It says at the bottom here, if you want to add a B6 rear light, just add it on the shopping basket. And it's available to add, and you can also get a discount by doing this, and I'll show you how. And sometimes people don't want to have the sound bomb in the bundle, and I'll show you how to deduct the sound bomb. So now we're on here, £610.02. We're going to hit add to basket. And look in the top right hand corner and you can see the little shopping bag has got a 1. Now we're going to click on that 1. That gives us a preview of the basket. Let's view the basket. And here it is there. Now in this shopping basket area, I've got things that you may also be interested in. So let's say you want to add the rear light. So we click on the rear light, £94, we add to basket. Now I've got a special thing going on here which is in a lot of the descriptions. I know it wasn't in the last description, but if we now go to the shopping basket, you've got number 2 up there because we've now got 2 items in there, the B6 rear light and the D4 bundle with the sound bomb. So go back to view basket, and if I scroll down, it's also showing that if you want the K2 dash cam, you can add it at checkout as well. But if I scroll down, you can see £704, it's free shipping. If you want to have the fastest possible shipping, you can pay an extra £20, but if you go for free shipping, you're still going to get that in the next day or two. And because we've added that rear brake light, if I put coupon code B6 rear and hit apply coupon, you'll see coupon code has been applied successfully, and I've got £14.04 removed from the bundle. Now that only works if you add the B6 rear light to a bundle which is over £500. Now let's say for instance you want this bundle but you don't want to have the sound bomb. So go back to coupon code and we put in no sound bomb. Apply coupon. Coupon code applies successfully. As you scroll down, you can see now you've got 2 coupons that have been applied and the price has been adjusted to £640.02. And then you can just hit proceed to checkout, and then you go through the obvious pages to complete checkout and complete purchase. So I really hope this has helped you guys. If you didn't know how to get quotes and how to place orders, if I just go back to the home page, and also here you can go to Lone Rider and see the Lone Rider items we've got here for sale as well. Yeah, so and if you need to contact us, just get in touch. Anyway, enjoy what's rest of the weekend, not a lot of it, and hopefully it's been helpful to you. If you liked it, please leave a comment, give me a like by giving me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And we've got a new video coming hopefully in the next few days on something a little bit different. Okay, bye for now.